Today we discuss about structure of neuron or nerve cells. So in the brain there is a interconnected nerve cells or neurons are present which help to transmit the impulses, transmit the information from one neuron to the next neurons. So neuron containing dendrites. What is dendrites? Dendrite is a repeated branch-like structure. What is the function? When there is an initiation of stimulus, this stimulus is received by the dendrites. So dendrite receives the stimulus. Stimulus means you feeling touch, pain, cold, any hard objects, that is stimulus that you are feel. So this is received by the dendrites. Then this stimulus goes to the cell body containing nucleus, Nissen's granules. What is Nissen's granules? The Nissen's granules are small granule-like structure which help in the synthesis of protein. That is a function of Nissen's granule. That is myelin sheath. Myelin sheath is a membrane that cover the axon. So what is the function of myelin sheath? The function of myelin sheath to provide insulation of the axon to prevent the high heat, that is called insulation. Next, that is axon. Axon is a long structure extended to the nerve end. So when stimulus is received by the dendrites, it goes to the cell body and come to the axon. So in the axon membrane there is a channels. These channels generate electric potential gradient. So these impulses are transmitted through the electrical signal. So there is a electrical signal is generated due to the opening and closing of ion channels. When this impulse reach to the nerve end, these nerve ending containing button-shaped structure that is called synaptic knob. In these knob contain vesicles that is called synaptic vesicles, where a chemical substance neurotransmitter is present. So when electrical impulses goes and reach to the synaptic knob, there is a vesicles. Due to the gradient, these vesicles are fused in the membrane and release of neurotransmitter which is received by the receptor of the next neuron, next cell. If the next cell is muscles, then movement of the body take place. If next cells is any gland, then secretion is take place. So receptor receive the stimulus, that is function of receptors. When this chemical is come, this reach to the receptors. So that is all about the neurons and their function. Discuss one time again. The dendrite, that is branch-shaped structure, will receive the stimulus, and this stimulus goes to the cell body, and then the cell body is reached to the axon. The axon is a long structure which having the ion channels which generate the electric signal, convert the impulses into the electric signal. This electric signal reach to the synaptic knob. Synaptic knob containing vesicles. The vesicles are fused into the membrane and release neurotransmitters. These neurotransmitters convert the electric signal into the chemical signal, and this received by the receptors. So that is a function of neurons. Next we goes for the neural system. So nerve system or neural system containing two parts, central nerve system and peripheral nerve system. What is the main function of central nerve system? The central nerve system performing control and processing, that is function of central nerve system, controlling and processing of the things. So central nerve system containing brain and spinal cord. So brain is a major site of controlling and processing receive the input signal and give the output. Peripheral nerve system containing somatic and autonomic nerve system. So the peripheral nerve system containing two types of neurons, that is called effector and effector. Very important. The effector neurons transfer the impulses from the tissue organ to the central nerve system. So effector neurons is type of neuron sensory. What type? Sensory. Is receive the signal from the tissue and organ and transfer to the central nerve system. But in the effector, that is a motor neuron. That is just opposite. It transfer the impulses from central nerve system to tissue and organ. Just opposite to effector. So that is function of effector and effector neurons. So peripheral divided into the somatic and autonomic nerve system. The somatic nerve system, the function is voluntary function, and is transfer the impulses from central nerve system to muscles. Where? Muscles, skeletal muscles. Very important point, that one. Somatic. Autonomic nerve system divided into the sympathetic and parasympathetic. It's play an important role in the involuntary function and control the smooth muscles. That is function of peripheral nerve system. So that is a part of neural system of the human. So see the video and make a proper notes.